that right foot. When I'm ready to come out, I just put my foot down. The way we went into it was off of a starter step. So the gentleman's gonna step off to the outside on the 4, putting me into a really deep contra. But notice how much we're working on keeping our centers facing each other. Girls, I'm making sure I'm not going back here. I'm really sitting back and down in my knees. So when we start into this, we've got triple step. He sets it up, I step, I go. When I start to fall out, I just put my foot down and walk out. And I put my foot down before things get botchy, right? Because then no one ever sees me get all out of wonk, right? Okay, everybody good? So then we have the basic whip, but a head roll to the sit. 1, 2. Ladies, do not look down. Ladies, do not look down. Men, flip that hand into that really weird position. Pinky edge to the back where her shoulder meets her arm. Girls, my shoulder catches up. I tuck the head under. He slips right through that little pocket. I'm pressing down like crazy, right? Stabilizing my core. He takes me off my foot. I bend in the hips. We come up. We just finish out into stretch. Watching the whole thing at speed, we'll go the other way. So it goes like this. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we had the monkey bar. Super fun. Men, left spin, white stands forward. You're leading a halo, picking up the back, swooping the hand, and delivering it to your shoulder. I lean barely back, let my hips come under, really using my hand to help pull up. Then I just work out into stretch. Okay, watching that from the other side. That's what we have. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I lean back, swing under, work it out to stretch. There you go.